YouTube needs you.
Yep, YouTube needs me. All right, YouTube. Here's the hood. It has been clear coat sanded. You can still see that, but it is really smooth, which is what you want. Like actually closer to that, really what you want. My friend here is hitting the roof. I'll show you what else we've been up to since it's been a while since I've updated. As you can see, no more rust spot. Put a patch panel in there. And around the other side, no more wreck damage. Went ahead and patched and pulled that out and straightened it out. What you're seeing there is actually just paint. It doesn't have clear coat yet. We're going to clear coat it all at once. So just want to give you an update. Okay guys, so this is the Grand Wagoneer outside. 12 hours of letting the clear coat harden. You see it shines a lot better. You can't really see the peeling now. If I get up close, you'll see there's still scratch marks in it. You can definitely see where the old clear coat was peeling, kind of right there. See the difference? But you know, 5 feet away, it's a super shiny, good looking vehicle. Some of the clear coat did run at the end. I'm not quite sure why. I did have to switch clear coat in the middle. I ran out of polyurethane and went down to the parts store and just got some 2K, and this 2K started to run probably the last batch I mixed. I'm not sure if it's because I mixed wrong or because the humidity increased or what, but as you can tell, there's the smacked quarter panel looking all better. So next shot should be of this thing color sanded and polished. So hey guys, how's it going? This is the Wagoneer. Should be the last update video on it. As you can see, it's been color sanded and everything, waxed out. It's not the best job, but you know, I did as good as I could do in my garage. But I mean, that looks way better than it did before with the color peel and stuff. So just gotta do some cleaning and some stuff like that, and it should be on its way. All right guys, there you go. She's as far as I'm gonna take her. Would love to have gotten the interior put in, but just don't have a month to wait. Medical bills are piling up and things of that nature, so hopefully she finds a good home. By the time this is posted, it should have already been put on Craigslist. So but next video I'll show you the other project Jeep that was waiting in line behind this, so look forward to that. Should be a powder coating video coming up in a couple of days too, so thanks for watching.